trying to do these without the notes. So I'll be opening this one since my bro's B-Day is coming up in a few days. So I'll get this out of the way, because they gave mine and his together, I guess, combined them. I kind of looked inside to see if it was his, and it was ours together. So I'll open mine, since this is going to be way after his B-Day. I'll show you guys. So, to start off, welcome to the unboxing video of Retro Game Treasure. If you want to go with them, they have a subscription of 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or a year. There's that. What else? Next one in line would be consoles. There we go. They have a bunch of game systems. The ones they don't have would be the better one to go with. So it is Xbox they don't have, the Xbox One or something. But they have original Xbox, PS5, and Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Wii U. I think that's it. And any of the newer ones that come out at this point. They have themes, which are racing, strategy, the spooky stuff, and so on. They have the other one, which is themes. I think I said that. I don't know. There's two of them that almost are the same. Which the other one is animation, Disney, WWE or WWF, whichever one, and other stuff like that. Anime too. They have a checklist of things you have, and you can add them so you don't get doubles. You get your wish list, which is stuff you could have a bigger chance in getting, and I think that's it. Oh, and you have to put your price in your own currency, which mine would be CDN. Theirs stays on USD, so you kind of have to calculate things. And I think that's it. Oh, and anything I missed will be in the description, in case I missed anything. And that's it. There we go. First one will be, since we already seen it, we know what we have. Oh, well, it still comes to a surprise to me. Sonic. What's the name? Spinball. Okay, cool. And we will do that one too. Like the last one, we will, what do you call it? Check the years. Oh, why did I look at it? I knew what it was, though. Fairly Odd Parents. Oh, what? Okay, I didn't know what it really was. Showdown? That one's mine, because PS4. Oh. Battlefront, Star Wars. That is cool. And is that it? Just in case there is one. No, the rest is his. Okay, so 3 for me. 4 for him. We'll show you his. His with all Xbox. Wait. Oh, they do show Xbox One. I guess I lied. Okay, cool. So I guess there's Xbox One as well for you, if you want that. What is it? Outriders? And that's what the back looks like. I probably won't do that for the gears. Well, this one already shows it. Basketball. He's got ATV. I go in. Oh, I'm wrong. Not ATV. For EVD. Okay. And MX World Tour. Hey, Nugget. Racing? A type of racing. Cool. He'll love those. He likes racing and sports. Hi, Nugget. Oh, we're at 6 minutes. We'll do it here. We'll start with PS4 for the release. I like doing these. Battlefront Star Wars. Oh. Wait, this one says 3. I don't know. Way before 2015. Battlefront 3. Came out in 2015. Oh, there we go. What? Battlefront 1. I don't know. 2015 says 3, but this one just says Battlefront. Well, we know 2015. Now, next one is oh, the fridge. Sega. Sonic. Spinball. Okay, a few years before I was born. 1993. Okay. If you want to read that, it's on the front page of Google. Oh, after a hasty 9-month development. Oh, cool. Yeah, one more. Fairly Odd Parents. I used to love that show. Still do. Fairly Odd Parents. And apparently they have a bunch of them, so Showdown. Showdown. Shadow. Oh. Should have put Shadow first. And there we go. 2004. Oh, wrong one. They're drinking. Yeah, 2004. That makes sense for the time they were around. And I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ding the bell if you enjoyed the video. You'll be notified for when I do more. Hope you be safe, and see ya. Oh, almost forgot. Usually I like to do this. There we go. 3.